What's up, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of dry bags here, and I got kind of different colors to kind of like show y'all the different color options with these. You get the yellow, the red, the kind of light blue, tealish color, I guess, and then you have the jet black. This is by a company called GOOSPERY, and I just kind of like want to show y'all how like nice these bags are. Number one, unlike the roll down top bags, this has a extremely tough waterproof zipper, and you could see, and I know my zippers, and that zipper looks really good right there. Super sealant, like you hold it, it has more like a T-grab grip right there. Very solid on its pull. This material feels really tough. Just feeling of it, it doesn't feel like I could stretch it or pop it. Now, given, I guess, if you put really sharp items in it, you could pop it. So I wouldn't recommend putting, you know, anything super sharp down in there. And here's one of the coolest features. Once you put your items in there, you can blow it up and then it'll actually float. So not only, that's why I also like the ones that are very bright like this. So if you drop them off, they're gonna float around. So let me go ahead and set this. Actually, there's something else that came with this I wanna show y'all. Check it out. Each one of these comes with a shoulder strap. So check this out. If you just want to have a shoulder strap, that hooks in there and that hooks in there, and they've doubled up on the grommets here, so that feels pretty tough right there. I'm pulling on it. It doesn't seem like it's gonna break. You feel how that is right there. That's pretty tough. So you take, say you got like your cell phone here. I've got a little charger that's also a battery backup. Put that in there. Here's what's cool. You take this, this was a cool option. Close that up. Look at that. Isn't that not awesome? Check this out. Make sure it's zipped up all the way. That's one of the things. You want to always make sure you zip these up all the way if you're going to be like playing out in the water. But you could see that it's airtight because I can squeeze on it and it's not coming out. And then, is there bubbles coming out? I don't see any bubbles. That was the best way I knew how to do it. Let me get it again. Squeezing on it, I don't see any bubbles at all coming out of it. But to me, that's one of the best features, is the fact you can drop it in there and that's not going to sink. So if you're even on moving current, that'll float downriver, and you can even find it a lot easier. If you're out here on a lake, it's super easy to find. And then you could tie it off with like using the strap here, or you could hook in with a carabiner right there. Very impressed with these. I've used these already several times in my kayaks. I'm going to be using them today out here on a paddleboard. Check that out. Bone dry down in there. Look at that. Not a drop of water in this thing. And actually, you know what? You don't really have to blow it up. It looks like I just captured air down in there. Highly recommend these for anyone that's just wanting to kind of kick around the beach, kick around the river, or just actually traveling on my e-bike when I'm riding and I need to put some things in there if the rain hits. I've always got one of these rolled up, because look how small. You could roll that up and put that in a pocket, and it could hold all of your wallet, phone, and everything, and that keeps it from a downpour. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the GOOSPERY dry bag. See you guys in the next video. Woo!